Welcome back! This is lesson 31. In the previous lesson, you learned how to say where you are using v and na. Today we will continue with the three very important prepositions. U, is, s. You hear them all the time in real Russian, and they are absolutely essential at A1 level. Let's start with the u, which means at, near someone, at some place. For example, я у друга. Я у друга. I'm at friend's place. Она у врача. Она у врача. She is at the doctor's. Мы у мамы. Мы у мамы. We are at mom's place. Use u when you are at the person or at someone's place. Now let's look at is. Is, which means from or inside in some places. Я из дома. Я из дома. I'm from the house. Мы из города. Мы из города. We are from city. Он из магазина. Он из магазина. He is from the store. Use is when you come from inside a place. Now preposition s. Which means from, surface, or with. For example, repeat after me. Я с работы. Я с работы. I'm from work. Она с улицы. Она с улицы. She is from the street. Я с другом. Я с другом. I'm with a friend. S is very common and can mean from or with, depending on a sentence. Quick comparison. You say из дома, but с работы. This is not about logic. It's about learning common phrases. Now let's play a game. Try to fill the sentence. Я друга. Я друга. Я у друга. Мы дома. Мы дома. Мы из дома. Мы из дома. Он работы. Он работы. Он с работы. Он с работы. Она врача. Она врача. Она у врача. Она у врача. Я магазина. Я магазина. Я из магазина. Я из магазина. Mistakes here are normal. Focus on the patterns. Now let's use these prepositions in a short conversations. Repeat after me. Conversation number 1. Где ты? Где ты? Я у друга. Я у друга. Conversation number 2. Ты откуда? Ты откуда? Я из дома. Я из дома. Conversation number 3. Ты один? Ты один? Нет, я с другом. Нет, я с другом. Great job! Now you know how to use у, is and с in Russian to talk about places, people and movement. On my Patreon you will find extra exercise for this lesson. The link is in the description. In the lesson 32 we will talk about movement and learn how to use k and po in Russian. Don't forget to like, subscribe and keep learning. See you in the lesson 32.